snapped right there. That's the other side. So. Oh, hello. Ooh, what's going on? Is it? What is this? What is the bike? I don't know what it is. It looks like a twin. It's a Yamaha. I just lost my clutch. Oh hell. Shit. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh that's not good. That's not good. That's really not good. That's really not good. I can downshift, but eventually I'm gonna have to stall. Ah, shit. 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 Oh man. Go to neutral. I'm only quick shifting right now. I've got no clutch. Shit. 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 Let me past. Let me past. Oh, it's gonna be a red light. Yep. Okay, go on this lane then. Go over here. Go over here. Oh hell. Oh hell. Okay. At least looks like there's a little car park or something in here for me. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, here we are. Okay, I managed to get neutral. Oh dear. Did it snap or did it just come off? What happened? Okay, let's examine here. It's a heavy bike, heavy boy. Okay. All right. Let's analyze here. All right, so I can indeed confirm that my cable clutch has snapped, and this is pretty much the only tool that I have on me, other than the tools that come with the bike. So I've got the clutch cable pulled through. So what I had to do was engage the clutch and I had this like screwdriver extension thingy hold the clutch in, and then I put the cable through and I pulled it through as much as I could over there and locked my little plier thing on it. I think this should work. It feels like I've got clutch. Okay, neutral. Right. Rear wheel can free spin. First. Yes! Alright. Let's give it a go. Alright. This is already fully released. Oh, this is going to burn through the whole clutch in no time. I can move very slowly. I think I can get it a little bit better than this. Alright, okay. The concept works. I just got to get a better adjustment of this. I think I can go a little bit further so that it engages a little bit more, because otherwise I'll have no clutch to put a cable to later on. So in here I have that little rod, and that's holding the clutch maybe about halfway, and seeing there's got some space there. And now all I've got to do is adjust this to be a little bit looser. I thought I was gonna have to make it tighter, but no, I gotta make it looser so that it's engaging the clutch more, and maybe I can get in that sweet spot where I can disengage the clutch and also get enough pressure on that clutch to actually make me move and not just slip and burn my clutch. Alright, so that's been adjusted. Now, in theory, I should be able to just press the clutch and that pin should fall out. Let's have a look. Okay, so it's not enough to make that pin fall out. That means I must manually, and this is all the tools that came with the bike. That's the stuff that was in there. Otherwise, other than that, all I had was this little plier. Carry tools with you guys. It will honestly save your ass. Otherwise, if you're not a fixing up kind of person, just call roadside assistance and get a ride home. But I have too much pride for that. Okay. Put that pin out. How does it feel? That feels like it's too loose. Alright, let's try riding it. Roll back. Okay. Clutch in. First. I got clutch. Will it slip if I accelerate? Let's try accelerating over here. No. Sweet. All right. Oh, hey, hello. That's me. And I'm fixed. Ah, sweet. Now we gotta get home. Let's hope this lasts. If you're watching this, that means I've made it, and I just ended the video right here because it worked. I think the moral of the story, guys, is just have basic tools, or like, you know, a little plier, or just the tools that comes with your bike. You know, you just gotta have that stuff in case stuff like this happens and you are stranded in the middle of nowhere. Right here, I could just get roadside, but like I don't really want to do that. I'd rather just make it work for me to get home, and then I can fix it there properly. This has been an interesting adventure. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's not a breakdown video. Hopefully it's just a normal video. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I really appreciate it if you do. See you guys in the next video.